I used to have to carry multiple ND filters to get the perfect shot. Not anymore.
If you don't know which door to open, always account for variable change.
Today we're going to be taking a look at the veritable ND filter for the Mavic 2 Pro from Freewell. What's up? Welcome back everybody. My name's Original Dobo, and if this is your first time here on my channel, I do drone and tech related content. So if that's at all interesting, be sure to smash that subscribe button before you leave this video. Freewell was nice enough to go ahead and send me out a set of these veritable ND filters for the Mavic 2 Pro. And I've gotten a chance to test them over the past couple of days. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with them. Now, a veritable ND filter for a drone has never been done to the best of my knowledge. I know for DSLRs, we have all types of veritable ND filters, some good, some bad, so I was a little bit nervous when I got these in my hands. Primarily because with veritable ND filters, if they do not have a hard stop, you can get what they call an X pattern in your footage, and it will completely ruin your footage. Another problem with most ND filters, or I should say veritable ND filters, is sometimes you'll get vignetting where the corners are really dark. So that was the first thing I was really concerned with, and I went ahead and put the Mavic 2 Pro in my office up against a white wall and basically cranked these from 6 to 9 and from 1 to 5 to see if there was any sort of vignetting or X patterns to be present. And to my surprise, there was none. So that was a really good thing. It was a relief because I was really excited about these because there's a lot of reason to like these. For starters, I don't have to keep a full set of ND filters. For the past year, I've been lugging around a set of Polar Pro filters, or most recently, a set of Sandmark filters. And it just takes a little bit more room in my gear bag. The other thing is, if I need an ND16 or an ND8, I have to sit there and swap the filters out and off my drone. With this, all I have to do is come to the dial and turn it to the next level that I need, see if it's good, and then take off. I don't have to worry about taking it on or off, which most of the time here in Florida, I'm keeping an ND8 to ND16 on my drone at all times. I'm not really flying at night, so I don't have to worry about that. But these things are fantastic, and I took it out to the river. It was a contrasty situation because I was really doing something different, something that I don't normally do, which is don't include the sky. I was just facing straight downward, focusing on the river. So it was a little bit challenging, and the colors it was very contrasty with the water and the greens, but I think these did really well. So check out that footage and let me know what you think. So yeah, I think they did well, and overall, I'm pretty impressed with these. I will definitely be putting these in my bag, and these will be basically what I travel with going forward. I don't see the reason to need any other filters when you have a set like this. I don't know why somebody hasn't thought of this sooner. This is genius, and the build quality is great. Again, with these filters, you are getting hard stops, which means if you turn it all the way one way, it's going to stop. And if you turn it all the way the other way, it's going to stop. It doesn't spin continuously all around like the polarizing filters that you've probably learned to, grow with. But I didn't notice any quality loss whatsoever with these filters, and that's the biggest thing. So for me, these are an absolute win. I'll be sure to include a link in the description below. But yeah, guess I don't need the other filters anymore. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. As always, stay original.